My topic is social media and detail explain. Let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Social media refers to websites and applications that enable users to create and share content or participate in social networking. Examples include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. These platforms allow users to connect with friends and family, share information and news, and participate in online communities. They also have been widely used for business and marketing purposes. Social media has become a powerful tool for communication and information sharing, but can also be used in negative ways such as cyberbullying and spreading misinformation. Social media refers to websites and applications that allow users to create and share content or participate in social networking. Examples include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. These platforms can be used for communication, sharing information, news, and entertainment, and can also be used for commercial or business purposes. Social media refers to websites and apps that allow users to create and share content or participate in social networking. Examples include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. These platforms can be used for a variety of purposes, such as connecting with friends and family, promoting a business, or sharing news and information. They have become a major source of information and communication in today's world, but they also raise concerns about privacy and the spread of misinformation. Social media refers to websites and applications that enable users to create and share content or to participate in social networking. Examples include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Social media can be used for a variety of purposes, such as staying in touch with friends and family, networking professionally, promoting a business or cause, or sharing news and information. Social media refers to websites and applications that enable users to create and share content or participate in social networking. Examples include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. These platforms are often used for communication, information sharing, and networking among friends, family, and communities. Social media refers to online platforms and tools that allow people to share, create, and exchange information, opinions, and content. Examples include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Social media can be used for personal and professional communication, news and information sharing, and entertainment. They have become a popular and powerful tool for individuals and organizations to connect with others, share information and ideas, and build communities. Social media refers to websites and apps that allow users to create and share content or participate in social networking. Examples of popular social media platforms include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Social media can be used for a variety of purposes, such as connecting with friends and family, sharing news and information, promoting businesses and organizations, and more. Social media refers to websites and applications that allow users to create and share content or participate in social networking. Examples include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Social media can be used for a variety of purposes, such as connecting with friends and family, sharing news and information, promoting a business or organization, and networking with other professionals. While social media can be a positive tool for communication and connection, it can also have negative effects on mental health, privacy, and the spread of misinformation. Social media refers to online platforms and apps that allow users to create and share content or participate in social networking. Examples of popular social media platforms include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. These platforms can be used for a variety of purposes, such as staying in touch with friends and family, sharing news and information, networking professionally, and promoting products and services. Social media refers to websites and applications that allow users to create and share content or participate in social networking. Examples include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. They are primarily used for communication, networking, and sharing information among users. Social media refers to online platforms and tools that allow users to create, share, or exchange information, ideas, and content. Examples include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Social media has become an integral part of modern communication and has had a significant impact on the way people interact, connect, and consume information. Social media refers to websites and apps that allow users to create and share content or participate in social networking. Examples include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. These platforms can be used for personal or professional communication, networking, and content sharing, as well as for marketing and advertising. They can also have a significant impact on public opinion and the spread of information. Social media refers to internet-based platforms and tools that allow users to create, share, or exchange information, opinions, and content. Examples include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and many others. Social media can be used for a variety of purposes, including communication, entertainment, information sharing, and networking. They have become an important part of modern communication and have had a significant impact on how people interact and consume information. What is social media? Social media refers to the means of interactions among people in which they create, share, and/or exchange information and ideas in virtual communities and networks. The Office of Communications and Marketing manages the main Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube accounts. We offer an array of tools, including one-on-one consults with schools, departments, and offices looking to form or maintain an existing social media presence to discuss social media goals and strategy, as well as offer insights and ideas. Before creating any social media account, you must submit the account request form. Be sure to check with your school's communications office for any school-specific regulations or branding guidelines. Social media is about conversations, community, connecting with the audience and building relationships. It is not just a broadcast channel or a sales and marketing tool. Authenticity, honesty and open dialogue are key. Social media not only allows you to hear what people say about you, but enables you to respond. Listen first, speak second. Be compelling, useful, relevant and engaging. Don't be afraid to try new things, but think through your efforts before kicking them off. Blogs, a platform for casual dialogue and discussions on a specific topic or opinion. Facebook, the world's largest social network, with more than 1.55 billion monthly active users, as of the third quarter of 2015. Users create a personal profile, add other users as friends, and exchange messages, including status updates. Brands create pages and Facebook users can like brands' pages. Twitter, a social networking/microblogging platform that allows groups and individuals to stay connected through the exchange of short status messages, 140-character limit. YouTube/Vimeo, video hosting and watching websites. Flickr, an image and video hosting website and online community. Photos can be shared on Facebook and Twitter and other social networking sites. Instagram, a free photo and video sharing app that allows users to apply digital filters, frames and special effects to their photos and then share them on a variety of social networking sites. LinkedIn, a place where groups of professionals with similar areas of interest can share information and participate in conversations. Social media are interactive media technologies that facilitate the creation and sharing of information, ideas, interests, and other forms of expression through virtual communities and networks. Definition of social media arise. Due to the variety of standalone and built-in social media services currently available, there are some common features. Social media are interactive Web 2.0 internet-based applications. User-generated content, such as text posts or comments, digital photos or videos, and data generated through all online interactions, is the lifeblood of social media. Users create service-specific profiles for the website or app that are designed and maintained by the social media organization. Social media helps the development of online social networks by connecting a user's profile with those of other individuals or groups. The term social in regard to media suggests that platforms are user-centric and enable communal activity. As such, social media can be viewed as online facilitators or enhancers of human networks, webs of individuals who enhance social connectivity. Users usually access social media services through web-based apps on desktops or download services that offer social media functionality to their mobile devices. For example, smartphones and tablets. As users engage with these electronic services, they create highly interactive platforms which individuals, communities, and organizations can share, co-create, discuss, participate, and modify user-generated or self-curated content posted online. 861. Additionally, social media are used to document memories, learn about and explore things, advertise oneself, and form friendships along with the growth of ideas from the creation of blogs, podcasts, videos, and gaming sites. This changing relationship between humans and technology is the focus of the emerging field of technological self-study. Some of the most popular social media websites, with more than 100 million registered users, include Facebook, and its associated Facebook Messenger, TikTok, WeChat, Instagram, Qzone, Weibo, Twitter, Tumblr, Baidu Taiba, and LinkedIn. Depending on interpretation, other popular platforms that are sometimes referred to as social media services include YouTube, QQ, Quora, Telegram, WhatsApp, Signal, Line, Snapchat, Pinterest, Viber, Reddit, Discord, VK, Microsoft Teams, and more. Wikis are examples of collaborative content creation. Social media outlets differ from traditional media, for example, print magazines and newspapers, TV, and radio broadcasting, in many ways, including quality, 11, reach, frequency, usability, relevancy, and permanence. 12. Additionally, social media outlets operate in a dialogic transmission system, i.e., many sources to many receivers, while traditional media outlets operate under a monologic transmission model, i.e., one source to many receivers. For instance, a newspaper is delivered to many subscribers, and a radio station broadcasts the same programs to an entire city. Since the dramatic expansion of the Internet, digital media or digital rhetoric can be used to represent or identify a culture. Studying the rhetoric that exists in the digital environment has become a crucial new process for many scholars. Observers have noted a wide range of positive and negative impacts when it comes to the use of social media. Social media can help to improve an individual's sense of connectedness with real or online communities and can be an effective communication, or marketing, tool for corporations, entrepreneurs, nonprofit organizations, advocacy groups, political parties, and governments. Observers have also seen that there has been a rise in social movements using social media as a tool for communicating and organizing in times of political unrest. Social media can also be used to read or share news whether it is true or false, with no real ability to distinguish between the two. It is down to the user of the platform to find the source reliable or not. When Tim Berners-Lee connected hypertext software to the Internet in 1991, he developed the World Wide Web, which created the modern era of networked communication. Weblogs, list servers, and email services all aided in the formation of online communities and the support of offline groups. Online services evolved from providing conduits for networked communication to being interactive, two-way vehicles for networked sociality. With the introduction of web, the development of social media began with simple platforms. GeoCities was one of the earliest social networking services, launched in November 1994, followed by Classmates.com in December 1995 and 6degrees.com in May 1997. 22. Unlike instant messaging clients, for example, ICQ and AOL's AIM, or chat clients, for example, IRC, iChat, or Chat Television, 6 Degrees was the first online business that was created for real people, using their real names. 21. As such, according to CBS News, 6 Degrees is widely considered to be the very first social networking site, as it included profiles, friends lists, and school affiliations that could be used by registered users. The name references to the 6 degrees of separation concept, which posits that everyone on the planet is only 6 degrees apart from everyone else. It was the first website to provide users the option of creating a profile. During the early 21st century, social media platforms became popular, first with the emergence of Friendster and MySpace, and later with the launch and popularization of Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, among others. Research from 2015 shows that the world spent 22% of their online time on social networks, 25%, thus suggesting the popularity of social media platforms. It is speculated that the increase in social media's popularity is due to the widespread daily use of smartphones. As many as 4.08 billion social media users worldwide were found active on smartphones as of October 2020. The idea that social media are defined simply by their ability to bring people together has been seen as too broad, as this would suggest that fundamentally different technologies like the telegraph and telephone are also social media. The terminology is unclear, with some early researchers referring to social media as social networks or social networking services in the mid-2000s. 6. A more recent paper from 2015 reviewed the prominent literature in the area and identified 4 common features unique to the current social media services. 2. Social media are Web 2.0 Internet-based applications. 2.5. User-generated content, UGC, is the lifeblood of the social media organism. Users create service-specific profiles for the site or app that are designed and maintained by the social media organization. 2.6. Social media facilitate the development of online social networks by connecting a user's profile with those of other individuals or groups. In 2019, Merriam-Webster defines social media as forms of electronic communication, such as websites for social networking and microblogging, through which users create online communities to share information, ideas, personal messages, and other content, such as videos. Mobile social media refers to the use of social media on mobile devices such as smartphones and tablet computers. Mobile social media are useful applications of mobile marketing because the creation, exchange, and circulation of user-generated content can assist companies with marketing research, communication, and relationship development. 30. Mobile social media differ from others because they incorporate the current location of the user, location sensitivity, or the time delay between sending and receiving messages. Social media promotes users to share content with others and display content in order to enhance a particular brand or product. Social media allows people to be creative and share interesting ideas with their followers or fans. Certain social media applications such as Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram are places where users share specific political or sports content. Many reporters and journalists produce updates and information on sports and political news. It can truly give users pertinent and necessary information to stay up to date on relevant news stories and topics. However, there is a downside to it. Users are advised to exercise due diligence when they are using social media platforms. Space timers, location and time sensitive, exchange of messages with relevance mostly for one specific location at one. Space timers, location and time sensitive, exchange of messages with relevance mostly for one specific location at one specific point in time, for example Facebook Places, WhatsApp, Telegram, Foursquare. Space locators, only location sensitive, exchange of messages with relevance for one specific location, which is tagged to a certain place and read later by others, for example Yelp, Quip, Tumblr, Fishbrain. Quick timers, only time sensitive, transfer of traditional social media mobile apps to increase immediacy, for example posting on Twitter or status updates on Facebook. Low timers, neither location nor time sensitive, transfer of traditional social media applications to mobile devices, for example watching a YouTube video. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.